गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. या अगोदरच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण ट्रान्सलेशन प्रोसेस काय असतं आणि प्रोटीन सिंथेसिससाठी ते कसं आवश्यक आहे याचा अभ्यास केला. डी एन एच्या एका स्ट्रँडवर जेव्हा त्याला आपण एका स्टँडला दोनपैकी एका स्टँडला आपण टेम्पलेट म्हणतो आणि या टेम्पलेटच्या वर mRNA तयार होतो. या प्रोसेसला आपण ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस असं म्हणतो. ही न्यूक्लियसच्या मध्ये होते आणि नंतर हा mRNA पास होतो न्यूक्लिअर पोअर्सच्या मधून सायटोप्लाझमच्या मध्ये आणि त्या ठिकाणी दी कोडेड लँग्वेजमध्ये असणारी ही जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन रीड केल्या जाते. रायबोझोमच्या वर प्रोटीन्सची निर्मिती केल्या जाते. याला आपण ट्रान्सलेशन प्रोसेस असं म्हणतो. आणि 20 वेगळे अमिनो ॲसिड्स प्रोटीनच्या सिंथेसिससाठी लागतात. सो वी नो दॅट द जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन इज इन कोडेड फॉर्म. सो वी नो दॅट डी एन ए इनिशिएट सुरुवात करतो. गाईड्स कसं प्रोटीन तयार करायची याची इन्फॉर्मेशन देतो. रेग्युलेट अँड कंट्रोल्स द ॲक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. सो डी एन ए इज द master molecule and remaining mRNA, rRNA, tRNA, these are the worker molecules. So we are studying the genetic code that DNA initiates, guides, controls and regulates the process of protein synthesis. How the synthesis takes place? It can be done according to the DNA information which type of given, so the protein synthesis takes place. Now it gives information of protein synthesis. For protein synthesis 20 different amino acids are necessary. We know that. What is genetic code? We are saying that DNA initiate, guides, regulate and controls the protein synthesis. The informations are given on the mRNA in the transcription process. We know that for protein synthesis there are 20 different types of amino acids are necessary or required. So DNA molecule has 4 types of nitrogen bases. We know that nitrogen bases, they are 4 types. These are adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. What are the nitrogen bases? Adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. And these nitrogen bases, they are useful to identify these amino acids. So nitrogen bases are 4 and amino acids, they are required, they are 20. And the Sir J.D. Watson and Crick shows that the information is stored in coded language called as genetic code. The DNA double helical model given by the Sir J.D. Watson and Crick in 1953, and the Crick is the scientist who shows that information is stored and it is in the coded language called as the genetic code, and it contains code word called as codon. The code words are called as codon and the information is stored in coded language is called genetic code. The language stored in the coded language is called as genetic code and the code word contains the codon. Now see here, each specific amino acid specifies, each specific amino acid is specified with the help of code or codon. Codon we can say. A single nitrogen base in codon, a single nitrogen base in codon codes for 4 different types of amino acid. Here nitrogen bases, they are 4 adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. So here a single nitrogen base in codon codes for 4 type of amino acids, and the combination of, so 4 is the lesser number than the 20, and the combination means 2 nitrogen bases, that is 4 into 4, these are 16 amino acids are coded or specified with the help of 2 nitrogen bases. This is also the lesser number than the 20. Here the combination of 3 nitrogen bases, that is 4 into 4 into 4. Here 64 different types of amino acids are specified. So see here, why there is a triplet when single nitrogen base it codes for 4 amino acids. Amino acids are required 20. Here the 2 nitrogen bases, 4 into 4, 16. This number is also coding for 16 amino acids. A combination of 3, 4 into 4 into 4, that specifies the 64 amino acids. So among the 64, each code word is in triplet form. It is in triplet form. Why it is in the triplet form we can study in the another bit. So it constitutes the triplet code. Triplet code is produced like this one. Now there is work of Dr. Hargobind Singh Khurana, Indian scientist, and he discovered the technique for artificially synthesis of mRNA. What type of work is made by Dr. Khurana? Artificially synthesis of mRNA with repeated sequence, that is nucleotide. Artificially synthesizing mRNA with repeated sequence. What type of work Dr. Khurana done? That is by using the synthetic DNA, he prepared chain of polynucleotide. Synthetic DNA चा वापर करून त्यांनी पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइडची चेन निर्माण केली. That is CUC, CUC, UCU. These are the different triplets, and this related information of polypeptide chain having leucine and serine amino acid. Which are the amino acids are there? Leucine and serine. And polypeptide chain with 3 nitrogen base repeats and form amino acid. So the polypeptide chain with 3 nitrogen bases repeats and form one amino acid. Then CUA, CUA, CUA and CUA. This form the leucine. CUA, CUA, CUA and CUA. This triplet form the leucine. So polynucleotide phosphate is useful for the RNA synthesis. For RNA synthesis, polynucleotide phosphate is useful. Now this is the work of Dr. Hargobind Singh Khurana, that artificial preparation of the nucleotide takes place by the work of Dr. Khurana, and he got the Nobel Prize. The polypeptide chain with 3 nitrogen bases repeats and forms one amino acid. Now here we find out the dictionary of genetic code. So the different letters are used there. These are triple letters. This is the first letter. UCAZ. Again the UCAZ. This is the second letter. Third letter is UCA and Z. Now how the triplet is formed? One from first letter, second letter and third letter. U and U. Again first letter, second letter, third letter. UC. Again the U and A. That is leucine. U and Z. So here in each box 4 different types of or amino acids they are produced. Approximately 64 different types are produced, and among the 64 63 codes for specific amino acids and 61 codes, and the 3 are nonsense pronoun. They are useful for stopping of the formation of polypeptide chain. So this is the dictionary of genetic code, that how the triplet is formed. The first letter is that side, second letter and third letter. So in the first column we get U and U, then U and C, then the U and A and U and Z. So this is the phenylalanine and these are the leucine. So this type of the formation of triplet is given, and that is useful for the collection of amino acids for the formation of proteins polypeptide chain. Thank you.